Hi viewers, today I'm taking you on a journey of Azerbaijan. Before I came to Dubai, I had not heard much about Azerbaijan as a tourist destination. I remember vaguely studying about Baku in my geography class, where I used to point out as an oil producing country. So that's it I knew about Baku. But once I'm in Dubai and I got a chance to travel to Azerbaijan, it takes 2.5 hours from Dubai to Baku. It turned out to be a gem. Baku's modern side is absolutely impressive. The flame tower, the iconic structure of Baku, symbolizes Azerbaijan's rich history of fire worship. Nearby, the Heydar Aliyev Center, designed by Zaha Hadid, is a marvel of contemporary architecture. Its flowing, white, curvy structure and innovative design makes it one of the most photographed buildings in the city. Don't forget to click great pictures in front of that structure. It reminds me of the skirt of Marilyn Monroe. Baku Airport is named after Heydar Aliyev. Throughout the city, you will see a lot of monuments of Heydar Aliyev. He is one of the most revered person in the country, somewhat like our Gandhi. Aliyev's leadership is noted for solidifying Azerbaijan's position as a key player in the global energy market. Once he signed a contract of the century in 1994, opening the way for foreign investment in Azerbaijan's oil and gas industry. So he holds a significant, important place in the history of Azerbaijan, and so the airport is named after him. Our journey begins in the capital city Baku, where the Caspian Sea gently laps against the cityscape. This city is known as City of Winds. Baku is a blend of old and new, with its historical architecture and contemporary skyline. In the heart of Baku lies the Old Town, which is the UNESCO World Heritage Town, which is a maze of narrow streets, historic buildings, and ancient landmarks. As you stroll through the cobblestones pathways, you'll encounter the Maiden Tower, an iconic 12th century structure with a fascinating history. Legends has it that the tower has been a watchtower and a lighthouse and even a fire temple. When you are in Baku, you must visit Azerbaijan's Carpet Museum, a unique attraction that showcases the rich tradition of Azerbaijani carpet weaving. Housed in a building designed to resemble a rolled-up carpet, the museum displays a stunning collection of carpets from different regions and eras. Each piece tells a story reflecting the intricate craftsmanship and cultural heritage that made Azerbaijan carpets famous worldwide. Take your time, explore the exhibitions, and buy a souvenir for yourself before you leave Baku. Leaving Baku on day 2, we head northwest to Gabala, a region known for its stunning natural beauty and outdoor activities. Gabala is surrounded by majestic Caucasian mountains, offering breathtaking landscapes and a wealth of adventure. One of Gabala's hidden gems is Nohur Lake, a tranquil spot surrounded by forested hills. Rent a boat, go fishing, or simply enjoy the serenity of the area. For a bit of adventure, visit the Yati Gozel waterfall, a series of 7 cascading waterfalls nestled in the mountains. The hike to reach the waterfall is well worth the effort, but we didn't do it, probably leaving it for the next time. When you are in Azerbaijan, you cannot miss some of the following things which I'm about to mention now. Flaming Mountains, it is called as Yanar Dag. also known as the Burning Mountain, is a natural gas fire that has been burning on a hillside near Baku for centuries. It's a surreal sight, especially at night when the flames light up the whole landscape. Number 2. World's first miniature book museum. You have to visit this miniature book museum to know what I'm talking about. It houses one of the largest collection of miniature books in the world. The books range in size, some measuring only a few millimeters, and covers various subjects and languages. This is a must-see place in Baku. Coming to Baku's underground lake. Baku has an underground lake called Nohor Lake, as I already mentioned. Located in the region of Ismaili, it's a perfect and serene location, seeking to escape from the city's hustle and bustle, a must-do place while on our way to Gabala. Gobustan's ancient rock art. Gobustan's National Park near Baku is home of ancient rock carvings, some dating back over 40,000 years. These petrographic depicts scenes from ancient life, including hunting, dancing, rituals, etc. I missed watching Baku's Ferrari Museum, but you have time, go for Baku's Ferrari Museum, as Baku is one of the places where Formula One Grand Prix takes place every year. So it has a unique place. If you can visit Baku during the Grand Prix, go for it. Also, Plov is considered as a national dish of Azerbaijan. Plov is a rice dish often cooked with saffrons, dried fruits, and a variety of meats. It can have numerous variations, each with its unique ingredients and regional influences. Another popular dish is dolma, a dish made from grape leaves stuffed with a mixture of rice, ground meat, and herbs. It's often served with yogurt sauce. So taste these two, plov and dolma, while you are in Azerbaijan. As our journey through Azerbaijan comes to a close, we are left with a tapestry of rich memories, of Baku's captivating blend of ancient and modern, of the tranquil city of Gabala, and of the vibrant cultures that weaves it all together. From the timeless streets of Ishre Sheher to the stunning landscape of the Caucasus, Azerbaijan has lived up to our expectation more than what we had ever imagined. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Whether you are planning your own visit to Azerbaijan or just streaming from afar, we hope that you have found an inspiration in this country's diverse landscapes, rich history, and welcoming people. Until next time, safe travels, and may your adventure be as enlightened and vibrant as the land of fire.